Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to download, install, and set up OneDrive on your Windows PC. Whether you're installing it for the first time or reinstalling it after removal, this step-by-step guide will help you get started smoothly. Let's begin. First, check if OneDrive is already installed on your PC. On Windows 10 and Windows 11, OneDrive usually comes pre-installed. To check, click the Start menu and type OneDrive in the search bar. If you see the app appear in the search results, it means OneDrive is already installed. You can simply click it and proceed to sign in with your Microsoft account. If OneDrive is not installed, here's how to download and install it manually. Open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft OneDrive page. The URL is onedrive.live.com. In the top menu, click on Download and then on the button, Download OneDrive. The OneDrive setup file will begin downloading to your computer. After the download is complete, click on the OneDrive setup.exe file. The installation will begin automatically. It usually only takes a minute or two. Once installed, OneDrive will launch on its own. If it doesn't, you can find it by searching OneDrive from the Start menu. Now, it's time to set it up. When the OneDrive sign-in window appears, enter your Microsoft account email address and click Sign In. Then enter your password and complete any verification steps if prompted. Next, you'll be asked where you want to store your OneDrive folder. You can go with the default location or choose a custom folder path if you prefer. Once you've selected your location, click Next. You'll also be asked which folders you'd like to sync. You can choose to sync everything or select specific folders to keep your PC clean and organized. After that, click Next through the remaining intro screens. And that's it, OneDrive is now installed and set up on your PC. You'll now see the OneDrive folder in File Explorer, and any files you add to it will be automatically synced to the cloud. Thanks for watching.